Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to replicate container image to different Azure regions. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I'm logged on to the portal, so let's have a scenario. Suppose your company has compute workloads deployed to several regions. To make sure you have a local presence to save the distributed customer base, the company's aim is to place a container registry in each region where images are run. This strategy will allow for network close operations, enabling fast, reliable image layer transfers. Geo-replication enables an Azure container registry to function as a single registry, serving several regions with multi-master regional registries. A geo-replicated registry provides the following benefits. It is a single registry. Image tag names can be used across multiple regions. Network close registry access from regional deployments. No additional egress fees as images are pulled from a local replicated registry in the same region as your container host. Single management of a registry across multiple regions. So, how do we create a replicated region for an Azure container registry? You can do it from the portal, you can do it from the Azure CLI as well. So let me show you from the portal first. This is your registry. You see the option replications under services on the Azure Container Registry. These are the regions, right? And you have this is the region currently where your container registry is hosted. And these are the available regions on which you can replicate. Let's say I want to replicate it to Central India from East US. I'll do create. It's validating. Deployment is in progress. Let me pause the video and come back. Deployment succeeded. Click on go to resource. So it has been replicated. Now if you go back to that container registry for which we enabled the replication, and you come to replications, you see a green check on Central India, and here you see that East US is ready, Central India is also ready. You can go and you can delete this, and you are deleting the replications from the Central India that you created. And you can enable the replication from the Azure CLI as well. So if I do ACR replication create for the registry which is test Azure container, in the location, let's say you want to go for Japan East, hit enter. So what we did from the portal, we are doing it for the same using Azure CLI, but I'm doing it for Japan East location, and you can delete the same as well. Okay, it is done. Now if you want to check like we did from the portal, so if you would refresh it, you would see for Japan East it is syncing, it's not ready yet. But if you want to check the same using the Azure CLI, you would see AZACR replication list for the registry test container table. See, from East US to Japan is the state is ready, right? So keep in mind that you are not limited to the Azure CLI to list your image replicas, like I showed you from the portal as well. Right, so in this module, we learned about the container registry, we deployed the container registry, we enabled the replication. In the previous videos, we used the ACR task. So the final step before we go ahead would be to delete all the resource group. So that we don't get charged unnecessarily. Okay, I'm gonna go here. This is the resource group. I'm gonna click delete resource group because I created everything in this resource group. If you see container registry, storage account, I had container instance as well. Okay, let's hit on delete. It is deleting. Let me go to my container instance. Just to be sure. Alright, so test container reg. Oh, test Azure container reg. So it will be deleted. Alright, great. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and for all your queries, please mention them in the comment section. Bye bye. Have a good day.